How to construct the present perfect tense. Each time we talk about something that recently happened, or had happened in the past but are still talking in the present tense, we use the simple present perfect tense. To express something in this tense, you must conjugate the auxiliary verb have according to the subject of the sentence, then add the past participle of the main verb. For example, the Millers have built a beautiful house. That's weird, huh? He hasn't said anything yet. Have they got married? If we talk about something that started in the past but continues in the present, we use the present perfect continuous tense. Keep in mind that this tense is composed of the auxiliary verb have plus the main verb in continuous form. For example, you have been practicing for that show for almost a year. You'll win for sure. We haven't been living together since he moved to college. Has Donna been driving all this time? If you want to learn more about this and other topics, visit our English course.
GCF Aprende Libre, creando oportunidades para una vida mejor.